A great way to showcase your offers or discounts on Instagram is to turn them into a reel by using a trending audio track like London by Bia, which already has over 60,000 posts. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to do that using this InVideo template.
Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping. I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes.
Just select the correct aspect ratio for the template. Here it's going to be the vertical 9:16 since it's for Instagram Reels, and click on use this template and that will take you to the editor. If you have your own product images and videos, you can upload them using this upload option in the left menu, or you can recreate this using stock images and video clips from InVideo's library. For this tutorial, we are making a reel for a handbag brand and we'll be using stock images from the InVideo library. Now let's begin editing. The first scene on the timeline is just text against a yellow background, and it mirrors the lyrics of the song. So we don't need to make any additional changes to this. Let's move on to the second scene. Here we have the image of a shoe that we want to replace with the image of a handbag. So select this image on the canvas and then click on the image tab in the left menu to open up the stock image library. You can then use the search bar on top of the images to search for specific images that you're looking for. We want to search for handbags, so we will simply type it out and hit enter. And this will open up all the images with handbags in the image menu. You can scroll through to pick one that you like. Once you find an image that you like, all you need to do is drag and drop it onto the shoe image on the canvas. In the pop-up window that appears, click Replace and it will replace the shoe image with the handbag image. Now the issue is that this handbag image has a background while the shoe image didn't. So we need to go ahead and actually remove the background of this image. If you're on a paid plan with InVideo, you can select this option on top of the canvas that says Remove Background and get rid of the background with one click. But if you are not ready to upgrade yet, you can always use any other online background remover to get rid of the same and then download your images with transparent backgrounds. And then upload them using the Uploads option and use those instead. Once again, we don't want to change the text here, so we will just move on to the next slide. This one has another shoe image in a different color. We want to replace it with a different colored bag. Again, we will go to the image library in the left menu and search for handbags. After I find the image that I'm looking for, I will drag and drop it onto the canvas and then I will click on Replace in the pop-up window that appears. Once the image is in place, I will select it and use this option on top of the canvas to remove the background. I can make minor adjustments here to adjust the size of the image. And we are done because the text once again remains the same. Now in the third slide, we are showing a comparison of both the images from before. So we also need to showcase both our bags side by side. This is super easy to do. Just go to the Uploads option in the left menu and you will find that both the images that you removed the backgrounds for earlier are already present here as independent assets. To replace the shoe images on the canvas, select one image and then drag and drop the corresponding image from the Uploads folder on here. Then click on Replace in the pop-up window that appears and you are done. Do the same for the second image as well. Once both the images have been replaced, you can resize each image to fit the frame better. Once again, here the text for us remains the same as well because we are offering a buy one get one scheme, but you can change it to match your offer. In the last slide, we just want to add our website and logo. To do that, double-click on the website text on the canvas and this will open up the edit window on the left. Here you can type out your own text. We'll just add in our website and then click on Done. To add your logo, select the logo on the canvas and this will open up the logo menu on the left. Upload your logo image using this upload button on top of the section. Once it's uploaded, click on the image to replace it throughout the canvas. Once all the scenes are done, Click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview what your video looks like.
Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping. I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes.
If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest that you choose the 180p resolution as this gives you the best results. You can recreate this trend for different kinds of brands as well. For instance, if you own a bakery, you can share your offer like this.
Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping. I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes.
When you're ready to upload, you need to search for the trending audio track on Instagram. Go to Instagram and in the search bar type London Beer. And in the window that opens up, choose the audio option. It is the first track there. Select it and then you select the use audio option at the bottom of the screen. That will open up the Reels camera. From here, ensure that the length of your reel is set to 15 seconds. Then go ahead and select that icon right on top of the left menu on Instagram. That is the audio icon, and that will open up the audio editor. Here you actually need to adjust the duration of the audio to start from where you wanted to start from. You can see 3 dots on top of the line here. Those 3 dots actually represent the most used parts of this audio on Instagram. And from what we have edited, we want to go ahead and select the last part. So you can just tap on the last dot on this line, that is the 3rd dot, and that will instantly take you to that part of the audio where it says the lyrics that we wanted to say. You can then hold down this rectangle around the waveform to adjust it slightly so that it starts exactly from where you want it to start.
Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping. I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes.
And once that's done, go ahead and use this bottom icon on the Reels camera to upload your own reel. And now it's perfectly synced to the audio. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, so you don't need to make any changes after this since it's already synced to where you want it to. Now simply write your caption, add your hashtags and hit publish. And that's how you can share your offers or discounts on Instagram as a reel within video.